Welcome to part 3 of 3 of English for Health. These videos have been produced to support those who don't have English as a first language to better understand healthcare in the UK and the NHS. This video is about finding the right help. Before we start, let's learn some useful words. Pause each word to read the description. Emergency. NHS 111. Walk-in centre, also called an urgent treatment centre. Self-care. Mental health. Okay, let's get started. Doctors, nurses, and all healthcare professionals in the NHS want to help people, and there are many services they can work in. To get the best help, it's important to use the right service for the right problem. A&E stands for Accident and Emergency, and it is located inside hospitals. You should only use A&E for serious injury or illnesses, such as heart attacks, blood loss, or broken bones, not toes or fingers. If a problem is life-threatening, for example, someone is not breathing, you should phone 999. Ask for an ambulance, tell them where you are, and what the problem is. For non-emergency illnesses, you can visit a walk-in centre, sometimes called an urgent treatment centre. You don't need to register or make an appointment to use a walk-in centre. Just walk in. You should visit a walk-in centre for problems such as bad cuts, sprains, or a bad rash. You'll be able to see a GP or a nurse to help you. They might write you a prescription for medication, or send you to A&E if a problem is serious. The next service to know about is the GP. The GP practice is for most non-urgent and routine problems. You can learn more about GPs in video 2. For more information, check the link in the description. Not all problems need a doctor or a nurse. A pharmacy, also called a chemist, is able to help with minor illnesses. Advice from a pharmacy is always free, and if you get free prescriptions, the Think Pharmacy First scheme means you can get medication without seeing a GP. You should see a pharmacist for minor problems such as cold and flu, skin irritation, or stomach bugs. They can sell you some medications without a prescription, such as cough medicine, pain relief, and skin cream. If your condition needs a doctor or prescription medication, they will refer you to your GP. You might have heard about the NHS service 111. You should use 111 if you need urgent advice, or if you don't know which service to use. You can use your phone or computer to talk to an advisor. There is also an NHS app for smartphones. This will help you to check symptoms or make non-urgent appointments. Sometimes, no NHS services are needed, and you should self-care. This is recommended for problems such as hangovers, sore throats, and scrapes. You can buy over-the-counter medication like pain relief to help. Self-care also means keeping yourself healthy through diet, exercise, and good mental health practices. For more information, check the link in the description. If you are struggling with your mental health, you should see your GP. Knowing which service to use means you can get quicker and better treatment from the NHS. That's the end of Module 3. Let's look at some questions and see how much you remember. Pause the video after each question and press play when you have an answer ready. Pause the video here while you answer. Here are the answers. Now, imagine you have a cough and a runny nose. Which services should you use? For these symptoms, you should use the pharmacy. Remember, if you think it could be COVID-19, phone 111. Do not visit your GP or pharmacy without phoning first. True or false? You should call 999 to find your nearest pharmacy. False. 999 is for emergencies only. True or false? You should only go to A&E for serious illness or injury. True. True or false? Think pharmacy first means you need to pay for advice. False. Think pharmacy first is a way to get free advice, and if you don't normally pay for medication, you can get them for free and over the counter from your pharmacist. True or false? NHS 111 is open 24 hours, 7 days a week. True. True or false? Mental health is about how we think and feel. True. That's the end of Module 3. Thanks for watching.